Hi, this is Ian Argus, and I'm here at the JamPlay studios, and I'm inviting you to please join me for Strumming Mastery starting on January 12th at 6 p.m. Eastern Time. We're going to dive in and we're going to explore different aspects of the acoustic guitar and playing rhythm guitar. That's going to include a lot of strumming, which is going to be about the right hand. And we're going to talk about some finger picking, both in a folk style, in a classical style, in sort of a Travis picking style. You may have heard that term before. In addition to the right hand stuff, we're also going to be checking out some left hand techniques like adding notes on or lifting notes up, maybe some muting, things like that. So this is going to be a 10-week course, and there's going to be exercises for the beginner student, we'll say, but also if you've been playing a little bit longer, we'll give you a little bit more advanced version of each exercise to do. Every week you're going to have an assignment, and each week there'll be a new technique exercise to do. There's going to be some musical tracks for you to strum along with and pick along with. And by the end of the course, you're going to be able to play a couple songs and hopefully have broadened your horizons of acoustic guitar rhythm playing. So remember, this is a live course, so you're going to be able to write in and ask me questions, and I'll be able to demonstrate things for you and hopefully help you out in a one-on-one kind of way if you're able to tune in live. And if you're not able to tune in live, the lesson will be archived, and so you'll be able to check it out at your convenience. So please join me, Ian Argus, for Strumming Mastery. We're going to be live every Tuesday night starting on the 12th, 4 p.m. Mountain, 6 p.m. Eastern. So thanks for checking this out, and I will see you there.